and welcome to a special hurricane edition of Carolina Bulletin News. We'll be talking about what we know about the coming storm and what you can do to prepare. Our weatherman Therman Mercury will explain more about Hurricane Dorian.
This Dorian had wind speeds of up to 185 miles per hour on Sunday. Then it went down to like 155 miles per hour this morning. Now it's almost a standstill of the Grand Bahama Island. It's headed towards us. Oh no. It's coming towards us! It's coming towards us!
I know that its storm path is still uncertain, but what category storm are we possibly looking at, and when will it hit landfall here, Therman?
According to the National Hurricane Center, Hurricane Dorian is expected to be a Category 3 storm. Its projected path will make the landfall in South Carolina early Thursday, with tropical storm force winds being felt late Wednesday evening! It's coming!
Meteorologists use the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale to measure a hurricane's strength. Can you tell us about the different categories of hurricanes, Therman?
Yeah, sure thing, Prom Bird. System divides the storms into 5 categories. Category 1, winds 74 to 95 miles per hour. It's minor damage. Category 2, winds 96 to 110 miles per hour. Extensive damage. That can uproot the trees and break windows. Category 3, winds 111 to 129 miles per hour. Devastating! Break windows and doors. Category 4, winds 130 to 156 miles per hour. Catastrophic damage. Can tear off the roofs. Oh no. Category 5, winds 157 miles per hour or higher. This is the absolute worst level. Houses could be destroyed. Buildings could be destroyed. It's coming!
Thank you, Therman. Governor Henry McMaster ordered mandatory evacuation of 830,000 people along the entire South Carolina coast starting noon today. You can take steps now to minimize the loss of life or property during a hurricane. Remember, if a hurricane occurs, emergency responders may not be able to immediately reach you. You should be prepared to be self-sustaining for at least 3 days. Over to Al G with some tips on how to prepare for a hurricane.
Al G here. Some important things you should know before a hurricane. Have a hurricane plan and ensure everyone in the household knows the plan. Know your evacuation route. Have an emergency supplies kit prepared to include at least 3 days drinking water, 2 gallons per person per day, non-perishable food, flashlight with extra batteries, portable battery-operated radio, first aid kit, non-electric can opener, essential medicines, cash and credit cards. Make arrangements for pets. Pets are not allowed in official shelters. Protect your home by covering windows with permanent shutters, plywood panels, or other shielding materials. Bring in lawn furniture and other loose objects, such as garbage cans that may become a hazard during high winds. For more tips, visit the South Carolina Emergency Management Division at scemd.org. Now back to you, Prom Bird.
If you're planning to stay during the storm, then here's a list of some of the Grand Strand area businesses that will be open tomorrow. Coastal Green Wellness in the Market Common in North Myrtle Beach, Retroactive in Broadway at the Beach, the Library Restaurant in Myrtle Beach, and the Brentwood Restaurant in Little River will be open, so stop by for your last dinner before the storm. Thanks for watching. I'm Prom Bird, wishing you all to stay safe out there in the Carolinas.